Welcome to another tutorial on Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will show you how to remove duplicate values in Excel using different methods. Whether you are working with a small dataset or a large spreadsheet, this guide will help you to clean up your data quickly. In this video, we will show 3 different methods to remove duplicate values in Excel. They are using the remove duplicate tool, using conditional formatting to highlight duplicates, and finally using advanced filter to remove duplicates. So let's get started. The first method is the most easiest and most popular in Excel. This is remove duplicate tool. To use this, first of all, open your Excel file and select the range of data where you want to remove the duplicates. If you want to apply it to the entire dataset, click anywhere inside the data table. Now go to Data tab in the ribbon. Click on Remove Duplicates. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose the column where you want to find duplicates. Select the relevant column and click OK. Remember, if you select only one column, all the duplicates in that column will be removed. But if you select more than one column, it will find matching in all those columns. After removing, Excel will show you a message telling you how many duplicates values are removed. Now your data is cleaned up. This method is quick and works best for simple dataset. Now we are moving to the next method. In this method, we are going to use the conditional formatting. If you are not sure whether to delete the duplicates or not, you can highlight them first before removing manually. Then you can remove everything manually by checking one by one. To do this, first select the data range you want to check. Then go to Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells Rules and then Duplicate Values. A window will pop up. Select a formatting color and style and then click OK. Now all duplicate values will be highlighted and you can manually review and delete them if needed. This method is useful when you want to visually check duplicates before removing them. Now we are going to move the final method. Here we will use advanced filter. If the previous methods didn't work for you and you need more destructive way to filter unique values, try this method. First, select the data range. Then go to Data tab and click Advanced in the Sort and Filter section. In the pop-up window, select Copy to another location. Now choose a new location to copy the unique values. Normally, select a new column or columns. Then check the Unique Records Only box and click OK. This method keeps your original data intact and create a new list without duplicates. So those are the 3 ways to remove duplicate values from your Excel file. That's how you can remove them. I hope this video helps you a lot. If you think this video helps you and you get something new to learn, then please try to follow us or subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.